Aloha everyone, and welcome to the Aloha Robert Travel Show. We are here at the Petit Trois here in Hollywood, California, and I just ordered the crab cake, and for dessert I just ordered the Paris-Brest. So I'm looking forward to eat lunch, and I reserved my table. You do need to make reservation to come here. Be sure to do it through the computer. It's easy and it's free. And this is a pretty much expensive place to eat. Of course, this is a French restaurant, a very good place. So when I said Petit Trois, that means in English little three. So apparently this is a small little restaurant, but a fancy one if you want to dine. So you do need to show them a vaccine passport if you want to dine inside. So that's the way the policy is here in California. So right here I got my water, my wine. They should have put the wine in that glass right there. And so they told me the crab cake is really good. I spoke to the waitress and she said it was really good and that she had it before. So I never tried it. So I like to come here, or not, excuse me, I love to go to places where they have good seafood, and this one is probably the best one here in Hollywood, California. So we are gonna do a little presentation where I get to try the food, and then when I'm done eating, I will do the food review, and I will tell you how the food was, how it came out. So we'll do the rating, and then we will we'll give you the inside scoop. So let's wait until the waitress or waiter comes in. I'll bring my food. Ladies and gentlemen, I just received my crab cake from the waiter. Here I got my glass of wine, and it looks pretty good. It looks very decent. So I need to unroll this, and we're gonna give it a test drive. I'm not sure if it's gonna be hard to cut it. So let me use my butter knife to cut it. Not bad, it's very easy to cut. And we're gonna give it a test drive right now, folks. Sorry, because I need to see. Oh, looks like it has sauce. Yep, it is sauce. Oh my gosh. Perfect. And it has lemon. You can squeeze it. This is so perfect. Unbelievable. Wow. This is the best crab cake here in California. Unbelievable. Very, very tender, delicious. And I love the sauce. The sauce is really good. Everything balanced out. Everything is well balanced. I mean, unbelievable. You gotta order the crab cake. And remember, it's very expensive. Ladies and gentlemen, I finally got my Paris-Brest dessert right here at the Petit Trois restaurant, or shall I say, French restaurant in North Hollywood. I never had this before. I wanted to go to Paris, but I couldn't go. But now, today, I will be eating this for the first time. So, ladies and gentlemen, when I'm done, I will go back home and give you the final review to tell you about the rating of this food. We're gonna give it a 5-star, more likely, because it is so superb and so delicious. So stay tuned for the next clip.